Step inside the future of travel where innovation meets unmatched Scandinavian luxury. Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels. And today we're diving into the stunning 2026 Volvo Extra Luxury Futuristic Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that redefines what it means to live on the road. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 5-star villa on wheels crafted with the same precision and elegance that Volvo is world famous for. Imagine blending Volvo's reputation for safety and modern design with the comfort of a luxury residence, and you'll understand why this futuristic motorhome is already turning heads everywhere it goes. The first glance alone is enough to leave you speechless. With its aerodynamic body sculpted with smooth, futuristic lines, bold LED light signatures, and an imposing stance that feels more like a high-tech mansion gliding across the highways than a traditional RV. Volvo has given it a commanding presence, enhanced by chrome accents, panoramic windows, and futuristic alloy wheels that elevate its profile into pure luxury territory. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a breathtaking interior that feels more like stepping into a penthouse than a motorhome. Expansive living space with high ceilings, premium Scandinavian wood finishes, ambient lighting, and a seamless open floor plan make it the ultimate home away from home. The living room features ultra-soft reclining sofas, a massive 80-inch smart entertainment hub, and surround sound system that transforms any stop into a private cinema experience. The kitchen is a chef's dream with futuristic touch-controlled appliances, induction cooking, automated storage solutions, and a refrigerator that adjusts temperatures intelligently. The dining area is elegantly set with foldable luxury seating and marble-inspired surfaces that make even a roadside meal feel first class. Moving to the bedroom, you find a king-sized smart bed with memory foam, mood lighting, and a full skylight, view for nights under the stars. The bathroom is no less spectacular with rainfall showers, touch-activated mirrors, and heated flooring, something you'd only expect in a 5-star hotel. Underneath all this luxury, Volvo has engineered this motorhome with sustainability and power in mind, offering hybrid and fully electric drive options, advanced AI-assisted driving, adaptive cruise, and automated parking to make maneuvering this large villa on wheels effortless. Every detail screams futuristic convenience, from facial recognition door locks to AI climate control that learns your preferences. Safety, as always with Volvo, is uncompromised with radar-based collision prevention, lane guidance, and full 360-degree cameras. This is not just about travel, it's about experiencing a new lifestyle where the road itself becomes your playground. The 2026 Volvo Extra Luxury Futuristic Motorhome delivers an unmatched blend of power, elegance, and future-ready technology. For those who demand the very best in mobility and comfort, this motorhome is a dream brought to life. So buckle up, because Honest Auto Wheels is here to show you what the future of luxury travel truly looks like. A future where home follows you everywhere with absolute